Okay, our journal name I am creating. So journal type hover, as I told you in the previous live, that I just deleted because of some issue in the connection. So I'm continuing from there, and journal type is our fee. Beginning balance journal names can be created from the project management accounting, and the remaining expense journal, it will be from expense journal name, it will be from general ledger, and item journal name can be created from the inventory management. Okay, it's our journal I am creating now. So voucher series, let me create one. I'll just create hours journal name. uh, Maybe I'll add here uh, journal name. Maybe I'll use like this so that it will be easy from where it is coming and all. So removing, I'm keeping hour is enough for me, and giving continuous as well for the number sequence, and scope I need to select, right? PMA. Okay, done. So H or J, map it. So change voucher date or employee, these and all, maybe next session we'll check it out going forward. And private user group, same way as we have in the general ledger journal names, private for user group. Okay, let's save it. I'll go by one only, so we'll go very slowly so that we can learn. So let me take new, and so there is no category. Let's create a category. From the project management we will have project categories, and that form also you can go, or it will be from right click and view details. So category ID, IDs you can create. Maybe I'll create our PMA. Can be used in project, yes. Can be used in expense. If you want to do, you can do that. I'll enable only this one. Or PMA. Once it is selected, then project category group, category groups you can define there. Our our category. Okay. Our cat group and select the type our and our name category group and line properties if you can create, maybe I'll use chargeable chargeable so chargeable enabled and accrued revenue and capitalization cost, uh, WAP posting required. This will analyze later maybe. uh, these are all the things we'll analyze later. Okay, then map the line property. If you want to map the main accounts at the category group level, you can map it here. I'm not mapping anything. The category group I allocated here. If you want to do category level main accounts, you can map it. Category group level also you can do that if you want. So as of now, I am not taking anything, and so let's take 10 10 hours. Let me post. I am not giving all the setups but just posting it, so it won't give proper information, but just to show how it how it goes. So if I go to posted transactions, see, amount is zero because we did not define the cost prices and sales prices. So there is nothing here, as it is investment project. It is non-chargeable, so it will, even though if you select as billable, it will always go for non-chargeable. So like this we need to create the our journal. Maybe you can book one more as well if you want to create new. So here journal name is not coming, right? So we are selecting every time. If you want to default any journal name for the hover entries, you can do that as well from it. In the parameters level, somewhere journal names. Okay, do it here. Once this is done, go to the projects, then create our journal, new. See, automatically it came the default our journal. Let's create new. I'll give manually the charges, prices and all. As of now, we can go to here and you can provide the cost price and sales price manually. This resources and all will maybe we'll discuss later on. Let's post it. So some error came. No account exists for type cost for project. So why it is not why it is giving these errors? Simple thing. We didn't define any postings, project postings. If you want to do from the project management module, you can do that. Otherwise, in the particular project, if you go ledger postings, same screen opens and create one here. For example, I am doing for the table level only for this project, and I am going with the table level for the category as well, and hover. So I need to create the account. I'll create same naming main account. Uh, so I'll use something 300 and 3005. No, 3077. I'll use like this otherwise. 3777 project cost account. Okay, and and 3888 payroll allocation. Okay, done. These are the two accounts I have created. Oh, 3888 is there. Very good. And I'll use, okay, this is fine, I guess. So I'll use here 3777 is my project cost account, and if you see the error message, it is saying the payroll account as well. As in my previous sessions, I explained that when you book the Howell journal, it will be the project cost debited and payroll allocation will be credited. So go with the payroll allocation as well, and I'm mapping at the table level itself. So we'll in future sessions we'll go with different examples, group level mapping and all. Me too, Daddy. So, 1 second, I need. Hello. Okay. Project management I'm not trying. Finance I'm trying. 1 minute. 1 minute, I'll call you. Okay. Okay, no issue. Tell me. Okay, then I mapped the two main accounts, which is payroll allocation as well as project cost account. Sorry, I just had one important call, so that's why I went outside. So after mapping those main accounts, let's post the hours journal now. Again, something. So we are going payroll allocation. No account exists for account payroll allocation. Account transaction type payroll allocation. Okay. Come. Just now we given maybe something refresh issue. Let's post again, otherwise we'll create one more time by after deleting this journal. Yeah, done. So we are going backward, right? So we'll get many errors, and we'll come to know which setup, which configuration is missing, so that it will be easy for us. So you can manage support a role as well, because whatever the error message you are getting, if you solve it here, then you will come to know what is missing, so that you can manage the tickets as well. Okay, so let's come back. Our journals, sorry, not here. Go to manage tab, posted transactions, and this is the one which we provided the prices as well. Voucher. So project cost debited and payroll allocation credited. So I told you right in previous sessions as well. We are whenever you book the hour journal, we are booking cost to the project. That is how much cost for the project. 10 hours into 100 rupees is the cost price. It is 1000 rupees, and we are booking to the payroll allocation account. This payroll allocation account. Okay. Then one more thing is that once this is done, you can add invoice, because this is internal project, investment project. It won't allow you to do the invoice because there will be no customer, right? So no need to invoice. Okay, then expense journal. Let's create one expense journal. New. So journal name is not there. Right click view details. It will take you to the GL journal names, general ledger journal names, not from the project management journal name. It's supposed to create from the general ledger journal names. Expense, otherwise project expense JRL. project expense journal. Here you need to select the type, uh, project expense. I'll use something let me create one more. Next time onwards we'll use the same number sequence. Map here, done. Journal name created. Let's come here. So category is missing because our category only we created, expense category not created it. So let's take category ID, new expense PMA, used in project, can be used for expense type. We'll take personal. Okay, if you want to expense using the expense also, you can do that. That is from Conquer side and used in expense category group not created for this. Transaction type expense, line property chargeable, so not mapping any main accounts from the category group level, assigning the category group to the category, not mapping any main accounts here. Default payment method must be filled in. Okay, sorry, expense type we use, right? So payment method it will ask. So let me remove that, otherwise okay, that is expense management, that we'll discuss later. Okay, once that is selected, nothing gone. Select the quantity and price 100 rupees, and here offset account is not coming, we need to select manually, or you can create the default offset accounts for expense type, so that it will come automatically. Let's create default. So category level I'll book. So for this category, project ID, this is only this project I am mapping, and I'll use some traveling expenses account. Okay, so this account I am using. If you go back and select the category one more time, see, offset account came. Posting it. Yeah, we got some errors. We'll check it out. Once again. Okay, posting without amount cannot be made. So I think after we did the default setups, right, it's went off. So just, it's a simple error. So tried to post, again got some error message. No account number exists for account type, cost for project. Okay, missing, because we mapped only for that particular category level, so that it's giving again the same error, project cost account is not mapped. For the expense booking, project cost will be debited. Okay, that default offset account will be credited. So if you go here, ledger postings, we have mapped only to this particular table level mapping. So that's the problem here. Let's try with again table level. Expense, I'll use the same account 3777. Okay, you can use different account as well. So that's the error. Let's pause the okay, done. So once posted, go to manage tab, posted transactions, PMA voucher, project cost debited, that particular ledger account credited. Okay, So this is expense journal, item journal, taking new journal name, item journal. It's supposed to create from the inventory journal names, item PMA J or PMA. I'll give like this to recognize, and here select the type project, and voucher series, everything I kept as it is. Save it and go back. This one, lines, take the item number. So there is no items created because I directly jumped into the project management accounting. Let's create item. Now we'll get different issues, error messages, because we missed the setups. So let's create item first. So these things maybe I'll discuss later. Just item type, these are SCM concepts, maybe we'll see later. Item number, maybe I'll use item 1, and here each unit, and we don't have item model groups as well, not yet created. So let's create one. This I'm not going to explain. I'll maybe when we discuss about inventory management, we'll check it out. Weighted average, stocked item, maybe I'll use the same default setups. Oh, sorry, naming I given weighted average, and changed it weighted average. Save it. Item groups also not created. Right click, edit as new item GRP. So I'll not map anything. We'll see. Once we get the error message, I'll show you where to map. Okay, just giving the details. It will give you an error message while posting. Then later on we'll solve it. That's the best way to learn. Okay, item created, right? Let's take item. So see, error messages. I missed few things, storage and tracking dimension groups. Let's go here again. Okay, that's that error message resolved. So item cost price, it's supposed to be automatically based on the price of that particular item, but here category must be filled in. This one, no category created, right, for item. Let's create it. ITM PMA. Project. Type select item. Save it. Site must be filled in. Site and all not created. No. Site to warehouse we given. So many error messages because let's go from another type. Inventory management. Site must be filled in. Warehouse on post it. We'll get error message because setup is missing. Uh, one count cannot be big because only one is or available from the inventory item. So one is this main account. Another one there is no stock to issue. That is one. There is no this particular item itself not there. Okay, that's the one issue, and another one is cost account, project cost account is not mapped, and inventory issue account is not mapped. Three errors we have in this. Maybe I will check tomorrow. I'll stop here. It's we'll check tomorrow. Okay. Three error messages. Inventory issue account maybe tomorrow only will solve all the three, so that uh, will come to know what are the prerequisites for posting the item journal. Okay, done. Thank you.